If you could remember the channel that I talked about a month ago, that this channel was created in August, and within the space of 2 months, the channel got over 20,000 subscribers with just only 4 videos. Currently, I just tried to check the channel and I discovered that this channel is doing something mind-blowing. So I went to the channel and I checked, and currently the channel has over 62,000 subscribers with only 9 videos and has about 454,000 views on it. So this definitely is the works of YouTube promotion. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you, because this has been a hot topic in the community. Like some of you have said that the subscribers gotten from YouTube promotions don't count towards monetization. So we're going to see this practical. I made a promotion on a channel some time ago, and I'm going back to revisit that channel so that we can see how this failed. Is it true or is it not correct? If the subscribers gotten from YouTube promotions count towards monetization. And again, I'm going to share with you how much I spent on this promotion and how many subscribers I gained from the promotion. So if you're interested in this, give this video a thumbs up while I share the analytics of this channel. We are on the channel right now, and if you go to the promotion tab, you will see that currently the cost of this promotion is $9.30 with over 30,000 impressions, and the views gotten from this promotion is 510. And the promotion subscribers, that is how many subscribers that was gained from this YouTube promotion, is 107. So I won't want you to conclude on this, because the subscriber I got from this promotion is way much higher than this. So when we go down to the details of the promotion, you can see that the promotion targeted audience in Nigeria, or viewers in Nigeria, and it was started in November 13th, 2024 and ended in November 16th, 2024. So this promotion ran within the space of 3 days. So now we're going to go to this channel's analytics to find out, does the subscribers that was gotten from this promotion count towards monetization. We're going to find out. Right at the end page, you can see that it's showing that as of January 1st, 2025, the subscribers, that means the eligible subscribers, are 391. That the subscription is 391. And if you check on this information icon, it says we carefully validate each channel's engagement metrics before they are displayed here. This process may take several days to complete and may vary from what you see elsewhere, such as your YouTube analytics. So what this means is that what you actually see on the end tab is what will count towards your monetization or your application to monetize your channel. So that means anything you see here, the watch hour you see here, are what counts towards your YouTube or your channel's monetization. Now let's go to this channel's analytics and see how the channel performs. On this channel, you can see that the owners, they barely upload videos on this channel. Like in the past 28 days, they barely just uploaded only 1 video, and they have gained just only 1 subscriber. So this shows that this channel is partially not active, let me put it that way. So now the promotion started, the YouTube promotion on this channel started on the 13th of November to 16th. So let us go to the particular days that this promotion was run. So this is on the 13th to 16th, and we click apply. So guess what? This is on the 13th, the promotion started, and the following day, it got 210 views And let's just go to the subscriber because we are particular about the subscriber count. So as you can see here, on the first day when the promotion was started, it got 0 subscriber. Then the second day, or the first count, it got 50, then 70, then down to 51. So in total, the promotion actually got 171 subscribers with a budget of $9.30, or let me just call it $10. So now, there has been this dispute about, do they count towards monetization? So as you can see, like in general, you can see that the channel currently has 391 subscribers. And if you want to know probably how the subscriber count performs on this channel, let's just go a little bit backward. Let's just take it from October 1st till November. You can see this is the performance of this channel. It barely gets subscribers on their channel. So you can see that this is the time that we did the promotion, and it got them 171 subscribers. So when you add it up with other subscribers that they have gotten previously, that is exactly 391 subscribers. And when you check on the end page, you can see that we actually have 391 subscribers. So what this shows is that the subscribers gotten from YouTube promotion actually counts towards monetization. So if you have been asking this question, you can see that from this channel, the subscriber from the promotion count towards the channel's monetization. Now let me share my thoughts about YouTube promotions. I've said this severally, and there was a comment in one of my videos that said that if I know how to do this, why am I still in 30-something thousand subscribers? I've gotten up to 100,000 subscribers, or even gotten 1 million subscribers by paying for the subscriber. So one thing you need to understand is that on YouTube, everybody has their purpose or have their plan or the reason why they are here on YouTube. Some channel owners are here for purely business. Either they want to use YouTube to promote their business, while some are here for creating content, engaging people, entertaining people to make money from ad revenue, while others are here to educate and also, promote their personal brand. So everybody or every channel owner has one thing or the other that they are targeting on this platform, and you shouldn't be distracted by what other people are doing. Like this 𝗕𝗀𝘀 channel, definitely there's something he's aiming at. He's not just accumulating subscribers just for subscribers' sake, or probably because he has the money, but there's a reason why he's doing this promotion, getting tens of thousands of subscribers like on a monthly basis. Like imagine someone that I just talked about a month ago with 20,000 subscribers currently is having over 60,000 subscribers, and definitely before, in 2 months time, he will probably hit the 100,000 subscriber count, or the 100,000 subscriber mark, and also get a YouTube plaque. You see it? So, but that is not my vision for this channel. Everybody has their own purpose. Not that I can't promote. I think the last time I did a YouTube promotion on this channel was when I was doing my AdSense masterclass. That was like about 2 years ago. So the reason why I did that promotion is to create an awareness about the masterclass, so that people outside my audience will definitely see or know that I'm doing something like that on this channel. But beside that, I've not done anything recently. So I believe in growing organically, unless when I want to promote something, I want to do something on this channel that I know that requires more, a broader attention. So now, should you do should you grow your channel with YouTube promotion? As a content creator, if you're a content creator, I won't advise you to do that. Like, in the video that I talked about getting 1,000 subscribers in a day, I explained all this. I talked about the reason why you should not use promotion, or the reason why you should use it. So, and you know, it is a lot of money. And then talking about the numbers of subscribers I got with the $10 promotion, your results might probably be different from what I got. Mind you that I was targeting Nigeria, which is a low CPM country. So if you're targeting countries like the US, Canada, other Western European countries, you might not get the exact result. You get the point. So everything depends on the ad bargain as of the time you are doing the promotion. You can even get more subscribers than what I got from this promotion. So that's it. So at the end of the day, the subscribers gotten from promotions actually count towards monetization. And with $10, I was able to get additional 131 subscribers. So how do you see it? If you have the opportunity to do this, will you do promotion on your channel? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And what do you feel about YouTube promotion in general? So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you haven't, and also subscribe to be part of this community. I do share tips that will help you grow as a content creator on YouTube. So if you love all this, you can follow to be part of the community. And thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.